Okay, so I was just doing some... Hey guys, I know I look like a, whatchamacallit character. Hear me out. Chicken tendies. I didn't get my chicken tendies while I was doing my homework. I bent these, so here we go. Here's a funny destruction video for y'all. Ooh, giga board. Oh, that's the battery compartment, my bad. Let's put it on the chopping block, though. Let's check out this micro board. Today, we're fixing this. Screw this. Can't really get it back, but still. What we're fixing today is the little switch. We just gotta press it a bit. Just gotta press that little switch, right? So here's how to do it in a nutshell. Take it, press it. That's not doing this any good, is it? Press that switch, and that little switch should be right on. That little switch, see it? Just gotta. There we go. All that other stuff, even that gear really isn't important. So I put that back in. Put the battery compartment back. Let's not put that back in. That's really not important. This is all solar power, by the way. So, and let's put it back on. There you go.